just got this in today. I don't know what it is yet. I think it's something pretty sweet, man. I ain't opened it up yet. That's what we got here. Okay. Alright, module. Get down here to the big boy. See what this is about. Oh, this is looking sweet. This is definitely looking sweet. Smooth that out the way right there. Packaging. Garbageness. No package. Get that out of there. Let's get this sucker out the box here. Start it over there. What we got here, baby? avh-4400 BH. See what we got in the box, man. We got little remote. Cool. Look like a microphone. Over there. So I get the harness. Extension. USB extension. That's nice. It's sweet. Use that. Damn. Owner's manual. Like every language. We don't need this. You already know what that's about. No one uses that. Got some screws for the housing. Oh, first one. Oh. Looks like the plate to go around the unit. This is looking sweet. Let's get rid of that crap. Don't need that. That's irrelevant. Oh man. Oh man. That's gonna look sick. 7-inch screen display. Nothing here on the side. Again, nothing on the side. Yeah, that's it. Got a USB port in the back. Looks like the port for the navigation, auxiliary in port, microphone port, a couple other ports, antenna, all your RCA jacks and stuff like that. But this is it, yeah, man. I'm about to go get it popping now. About to put this in the car and get it going, man.